Hey loves, it's Ashane. In this video, I will be showing you guys my skincare routine, what my face looks now, and how I plan on fixing that. So if you're a person who didn't really struggle with acne, but now you have acne, which is basically kind of what I'm going through, this is my skincare routine to basically solve my acne problem. I went to a dermatologist and everything I'm about to do is pretty much what he told me to do. None of this is just like on my own made up. And as you can see, make sure your water is not too hot. I'm starting with the Dove soap, the white, nothing fancy. So you basically just need to go with the basic white soap. And I'm rinsing off my face. I'm going to put the soap on, and also make sure you guys wash your hands before you start to touch your face. So now I'm basically just not putting too much, but just getting that soap and just scrubbing my face. And sometimes I use the facial brushes, so the exfoliating brushes, but I don't think you're supposed to use those every day. I kind of switch off days that I use them. But right now I'm, wiping my face, rubbing the soap around, rubbing it in, and then I leave it on my face for about I'll say like maybe 10 seconds or so. As you see, I didn't leave it on for that long, and then I'll just go ahead and just rinse it off with some warm water. And I just make sure that I'm getting my full face. And then he also said to get your ears and behind your ears as well, and then also your neck. And right now I'm just using paper towels. I know some people use clean t-shirts and stuff. I'll probably get to that, but right now I'm just using one sheet and I'm just patting down my face to make sure it's like completely dry. Now I'm just getting to my ears, as I mentioned earlier. And you guys, you can do this in the shower because I find that to be like a lot easier if you want to. But I'm just doing this out of the shower just for video purposes. But normally I would do this in the shower. And then now I'm just wiping my ears off. I decided to go to a dermatologist because I didn't really know what to put on my skin. And I was just wanting to know like the exact things to use. He also mentioned to use a moisturizing lotion called CeraVe, which is what I'm going to start using now. In this video I use his Cetaphil because that's what I already had, but I want to be as exact to his regimen as possible, so that's why I decided to switch over, because I'm gonna show you guys my whole journey and everything he told me to use. In the next video or whatever, I'll definitely have that moisturizing lotion, but I basically just get like a little drop or dab, and then I just do like the 4 dots, like one on my forehead, one on each cheek, one on my chin. And then I just rub that in. And then I also get a little bit and put it over my eyes. I'll get my neck and my ears and behind my ears as well. Okay guys, now we have to wait for 30 minutes. And now after the 30 minutes, we are going to use the Sensitive Skin Rejuvenating Glycolic Lotion. And I basically bought this from his office. I know a lot of people use Rejuvenating. There's a lot of different things, but you guys want to make sure that y'all go to a dermatologist to figure out what they have and what's the best for your face. I know a lot of people use Rejuvenating, but there are different types and different things that your dermatologist may want to put in there because everybody has different type of acne and things. So yeah, you just want to make sure you do that, because I did try using someone else's product before and my face started to break out. So make sure you guys do not do that. Also, I went to this dermatologist because he had a really, really good rating, and he's also been doing this for like 20 or 40 plus years, something like that. So I also will put his link in my description, so you guys can definitely go look at their website and check him out if you want to schedule an appointment. And then also, if you have any questions, he's gonna start answering questions on his website and stuff like that, just so you guys can kind of know more information when it comes to your skin and the things that you should do in order to, keep clear skin. As you guys seen, I just use like a little dab, like a small. And I had put too much at first, but put some back because this stuff was kind of expensive. It was like $40 something. So I'm trying to make this last, if you know what I'm saying. So that's why I'm putting it back in the bottle. I just rub that in and just sleep with that on all night until the morning time. Okay, you guys, so I just got done working out. It's my morning routine. So now I'm just using the same Dove white soap. And I'm just going to do the same thing of just rinsing my face off, rubbing the Dove soap all over, making sure that I'm getting my whole face, my ears, behind my ears, and my neck as well. And then I'm going to make sure that I rinse all of that off. And then after I rinse it off, I'm going to use again the CeraVe or CeraVe moisturizer, and then do the dots, do one on my forehead, my ears, my cheeks, my chin, your nose, your eyes, and your neck. And then I'm going to use the sunscreen. And you guys make sure y'all put sunscreen on, because yes, we're black, or you may be white, whatever race you are, everybody needs to use sunscreen. I got these little free samples. You guys make sure that y'all definitely put on sunscreen before you walk out the door in the morning. And then I do this whole routine. One night, I skip 2 nights and do the Dove soap, the face moisturizer, and then after that, I use the Skin Lightening Gel K2. I also got this from my dermatologist. Again, I put the link down below so you guys can check it out. I hope you guys love the skin routine, and I will be showing you guys probably maybe in a month what my skin looks like, just to give you guys an update. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. And once again, bye loves.